This is a very easy process. So what you want to do is go up here to context 7. Well, if you have it, you need to select which instruments are appropriate. For instance, we'll go here and check this one out. Yeah, that sounds good. So let's use that. Let's go here. Okay, that's way too high. Too high. Okay, let's do this one. Nope, I did not want to do that. Oops. Okay, now we just gotta... No, there we go. Perfect. Then we go up here again. Look, listen. Now this stuff isn't free. You gotta buy it. If you're underage, you need to get an adult supervision first before you go on and do stuff like this. Okay, before I go ahead and do something, let me try to remember which one I used. Okay, so I just used this one. So it's no. All right. Oh, there it is. It's up here off screen. Let's go up here. If you already used one, you should probably go up here and select another. Yeah, there we go. Now let's just go up here. If you want, you can always go up here and... There we go. Let's go here. There we go. That is a ship horn. Now let's go up here. Export as MP3. And you're all good to go. So if you want to create a new ship of your own, this is a perfect idea. So I hope you found this exciting. And tally-o!